back to the channel, y'all. In this video, we're gonna try out the little yachtys, Reese's Puffs. I'm gonna see what it tastes like outside of the milk. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. Here they go. That's what it look like right there. Little yachty Reese's Puffs. Let's see what it tastes like. Here we go. Tastes pretty good. Tastes a lot of peanut butter in here. So they made with real peanut butter. They're good. Got a little yachty on the side here. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Right here you see you collect the poster of him. Guess you gotta buy each box or whatever, you know. So collect the poster. On a scale 1 through 5, I give these I give them a 5. They're pretty good. They do taste real peanut butter and chocolate. Pretty good. Yeah. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification. I'm out of here. Peace.